Tado natin sa buhay, we keep working. But we keep forgetting. We seem to forget that health is the real wealth. Kasi you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Ang mas nangangailangan yung mga lalong nahihirapan. Kung kaya naman nilang maghulog ng paunti-unti, basta meron kanya, may protection ka. Kasi baka yung kinikita mo hindi sapat sa pambili ng gamot. Marami nakakasakit, mga anak, di ba? O ikaw mismo. Lalo kung ikaw yung breadwinner, nagtatrabaho ka para sa pamilya mo, tapos bigla ka nagkasakit, paano na yung pamilya mo? At kahit nga anong estado, it's one thing off your list ang aalalahanin. Kahit ako, di ba? So, that's why it's important to have it. Kasama ko ang Kaiser, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. May Kaiser Health Card ka na ba? Sharon Cuneta po, para sa Kaiser.
Our main mission is to make you become successful, to change a lot of people's life.
We really want to help every family achieve financial freedom, so no family left behind.
Depende sa'yo because nothing big is easy to do naman. So if you want to become successful, there's no such thing as overnight success.
At tinuturo namin, paano ka talaga magtitipid, paano ka mag-iipon, paano ka magsisave at mag-i-invest na para ma-achieve yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay.
Sa tulong ng IMG o International Marketing Group, mapaghahandaan ang kinabukasan at siguradong mahahawakan din ang mga pangarap.
Kapag meron ako na-encourage na mag-join at gawin ang ginagawa namin dito sa IMG, yan tumulong sa tao na maging financial independent, matutunan nila yung financial security, napakaganda ng pakiramdam, nakaka-excite.
Every time I let people join this company, I give them hope to change their lives and help them to become financially free.
It's a company that gives everybody the opportunity. Hindi tayo namimili kung sino yung mag-join. Basta kung sino yung may gusto and has the mindset to win in life, they can do it in IMG.
For me, it's all about right now giving back to the person. At the same time, it also, for me, it's about mission delivered.
We will help you make changes and make your dreams come true here in IMG.
Marami man ang mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan, mas dumarami rin ang mga taong handang tumulong para maabot natin ang anumang mga pangarap natin sa buhay.
Kahit sinong tao na may pangarap sa buhay can be successful in this business.